Hi, this is Anne Pimentel for the Inspire Project Week 8. Today we set up our Raspberry Pis. The students are becoming a lot more efficient and effective, which is great. We're finding that sometimes the screens do say no video input, but once we unplug it and replug it back in, it seems to reconnect really well. So we sometimes have glitches with that, but it seems to be working fine once we replug it in, or I'll ask the students to follow the steps and unplug everything, and after they've logged off, to replug it all back in and start the process again. But it seems to be going well. The students are really excited about it. I went over the Scratch interface today. The Raspberry Pi Education Manual goes through 7 different parts of the Scratch interface. So I just blogged about it, my journal, about the Scratch interface, and that we looked at the 17 different parts of it. And so the students next week have a test on it, and they'll have to memorize all the different 17 parts and put them in the right locations. And then next week also we have a kindergarten class coming to join us to see what the Raspberry Pi looks like, and also to see how things come together with Scratch, and they'll be able to be with their big buddies and look at their the grade 7's exploration through Scratch, and just in them just exploring through like the sprite that they create and stuff like that. So that should be good next week. Also, another thing that was quite exciting is my teaching partner, Mr. Mainman, he had gone down to a conference down in Minnesota, and coincidentally ended up getting into a conversation with a couple professionals down there about Raspberry Pi. So it's really neat to hear across North America people's excitement about this technology being in the school system. So yeah, next week is week 9. Students have their Scratch assessment that they have to do, and then they'll be hosting these kindergartens and showing them all the wonderful things that Scratch is. So, and Raspberry Pi. So thank you so much. It was great to give you a bit of a update on that. And then also we had our SETBC meeting, which was through teleconference, which was good to talk to all the other projects across BC, all the other 11 projects. So it was good to hear kind of conversation going on about questions people had and the blogs that are being set up, and just how we're all embarking on this really exciting project by SETBC. So again, thanks very much to SETBC for funding our project, and we'll continue this exciting venture. So signing off, Anne Pimentel for week 8. Thank you.